Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here, and today I have a story time video for you. By the way, go ahead and check out the tutorial for this hairstyle. I did a wash and go using the gorilla snot. Go ahead and check that out. Mosquito. Yo box. Yo Ross. I'm still not catch him. Now this happened to me a while back. Again, a lot happened to me in my childhood, so most of the exciting stuff probably happened a long time ago, because as I got older my life just pretty much got really boring. But no lie though, this happened to me when I was younger, so probably the same age group as my last story time. If you guys haven't seen my last story time yet, please go ahead and check it out. It's my most embarrassing moment. Today I'm gonna tell you guys about that one time that I was bitten on the ass by a dog. If you guys want to hear this story, which is pretty mad funny, then keep on watching. Of course, if you want more story times, you don't know, you have to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys so much for 18,000. I love you guys so much. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm gonna tell you what really going on right now. So it happened when I was about 8. I think I was about 7, 8 thereabouts. Apparently a lot happened to me in this era of my life. I don't remember if it was a weekend, because I know I wasn't going to school. I don't remember if it was a weekend, a holiday or whatever, but I just remember I was not going to school at the time. So my mom wanted to send me out. At the time, of course, this is something else that was happening to me when I was living Kingston side, Bull Bay massive big up on yourself if you not watch this. So the thing is, when I live at town, you usually live near some gutter or a gully or a trench or something. So that was basically like what was happening. I had a gully behind my yard. So I don't know, say mommy sent me across the gully now because she sent me to her friend named Stacy. Stacy, I know you're probably watching this because I saw you watch my last story time. I haven't seen it for ages, girl. Please reach out to me. My email is in my description bar. So yeah, send me an email. So yeah, mommy sent me to Stacy. Now mark you, Stacy lives across the gully up the hill, so I had to do a bit of walking. Now you don't know, I don't really want to go because I said, why mommy have to send me all the way up there? So I honestly don't remember if she sent me to collect something, to ask her something or something of the sort. I don't remember exactly how it went. I think I went to actually collect something from her. So anyways, I leave my house, through the gates, walk go to the back of the yard, walk across the gully. You have some little stones that you have to step on so you're not dropping in the water. You know, I take my little time and maneuver them. I was pretty clumsy back then, so I really dropped for everything. Anyways, I made it, crossed the gully and started walking up the hill. Now, me never know say so much dog live up the hill. Me never know say so much people have dog up there. If me did know, I honestly would have tell mommy me not go no way. Would have tell her so me not go, honestly. And me never know. So as I'm walking, passing houses on both sides, me I go up the hill now, so you know say I be a stone me I step on for go up some big boulder, and it was the ghetto, people. Like, I'm from the dirty, you know. Yeah, like that's how it was where I was living at first. So I basically walk across the gully, walking up the hill. There are houses on both sides, zinc gate. Some people that have like a decent kind of looking gate, but most of the gates are zinc, and pretty much everybody yard have a dog in it. So while I was walking and passing, trying to keep my ish together, I'm afraid, you know, like I was so afraid. But anyways, I was just like trying to be tough, trying to look cool, because I walk past some people that I know that I don't really talk to them like that, you know, but them will see me and say hi or whatever. Some younger persons like myself. It just so happens that this guy that had a crush on me was sitting in that group of persons. But I never really paid no mind because I never really like him like that. But anyways, so I walked. I mean, I was a kid. What the hell was there to like? Anyways, so I walked past them. Dogs start barking, you know, like literally as I walk past them, everybody dogs start bark. So it's like I'm going further up the hill, and Stacy lived at the top of the hill, so it was like the last house up there. And girl, as I was walking, like just dogs like literally, I don't know where them come from. They were coming from two sides, like all kind of dog. And I take my little time and walk past some of them now. Got to Stacy's house and step in a Stacy yard. Calling Stacy. Them time me a trembling like I'm afraid, you know. So me I call Stacy. Me I call Stacy now. And it's like, yo, I don't know what happened. I just know say at that point I couldn't hold in the fear no more, because I said no, it's so much dog I come from. I'm literally afraid say a dog will go bite me. Some of that I'm me like me literally that man tremble, like me literally I tremble. Cause I said, God, please don't make none of them dog you bite me. Please don't make them bite me. So my daddy I'm call Stacy, I call Stacy. No Stacy. Jesus Lord. All of a sudden when I call Stacy the third time now, Mrs. Stacy dog I run come after me now, I run come. And I say, no, you know what? Me gone. So I turn around now. I make a U-turn quick. I'm just start skip over rock, I go down the hill. And it's not a smooth surface. A stone me have to climb on for go up at the place so you're supposed to know how me I skip. Mark you, I'm clumsy as hell. So my trip easy. And I never dropped all me I fly go down the stone them. When me reach at this man house now, almost to clear the dog zone, the last house we have a dog in it, last yard. The gate was open and the dog came out. It's like him did a wait for me, like him legit did a wait for me. The dog come out and him just right on my, I think it was my left butt cheek, guys. I think it was my left butt cheek. You know fear? Jeez, me start ball same time. Everybody start laugh after me. Cause that last house was like the last house with a dog in it before me reach the people them when they sit up on the corner, especially with the guy. Like I was like, yo, hold my head straight. The eye water coming up, you know, so you can't let the eye water come. Cause me literally, when the dog hop on me, me scream out really loud. And like, them never literally hear the dog them get at me, but them hear the scream and then them see me and them are like, yo, you alright? I'm just come so, I don't want to come here. Guys, me never reach back across the gully so quick. After I pass them people there, I run, me literally start running up and say, no, the dog bite me now, the dog bite me. I don't remember what I had on, but him literally bite me through my clothes right on the top of my back, right there where my back meets my butt. That's where I got the bite. And I run go home and I say, mommy dog bite me. And me a crying, guys, like me a bawling, man. And she throw alcohol on it on top of all things. I'm a ball, and I'm like, why you so evil to me? You go throw alcohol on it after me get bite and you send me out and you make me get the bite and you come throw alcohol. I was so upset. Guys, I say, oh, me make sure I tell her, I say, mommy, me not go back over Stacy. You can't send me back over Stacy. And you know what happened? I think she ended up calling Stacy on the phone after that. So I guess she really did send me for something. And guys, I'm like, say, you could have called Stacy and tell Stacy if you carry something come like that me saying in my head. I'm like, so I go through this for nothing at all? I get bite for nothing at all. Mr. Doggy bite me for nothing at all. Like, I was so pissed off, guys. I was so pissed. I don't know if it is because of the fear that was in me or how frightened I was, but I literally never feel the pain same time. It was after I reached home and she threw the alcohol on it, I start feel the pain and I said, God, that shit really hurt. Like, it really did hurt, guys. Like, I was embarrassed, but I was more in pain than anything. And I still have the mark. If you look, I still see the two. It's like a little equal sign. I don't know him by me, so I don't know if him by me from sideways or what happened. But I still have the mark there, I believe. I haven't looked at it in a while. I think it's still there though. But guys, I actually never knew before. Like, I think I probably heard it before that if a dog is pursuing you, if I'm a bark and thing and I go on the most way and you're passing, do not run. Because when they see you run, they're going to want to chase you. So thank God I didn't know that before I did go up at Stacy, because my automatic instinct would have been to run from I was going up there, and then probably I would have been attacked by all the dogs. So I don't know. I was really pissed off that day, you know, being bitten by the dog. It was not cool, but it happened and I'm still here. So I guess it was, you know, it was just whatever. Like, I literally just remembered that story the other day, so I definitely had to come and tell you guys the story. I hope you enjoyed this quick little story time. Tell me, you know, what you think in the comments. If you've ever been bit by a dog, it doesn't matter where, probably on the ass like me, tell me in the comment section below, guys. If you guys want to see more story times, thumbs up this video, of course. I'm gonna try to tell you guys more stories. I'm gonna start doing more vlogs, so look out for that as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mama, people, this are a new thing for make that sound here. Stop. Yeah, yeah guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.